I should have got you the what?
You should have got me the Dorito thing.
Hmm?
Do you want to roll back?
What? Julie?
No.
Are you sure?
You complaining.
I'm complaining. Really? I asked you, what did you want? I even got you a drink. Only you.
Okay, Cruella.
I got you a drink.
Oh, you only got me?
Yes.
You got to move them things. Did she?
I hear you.
Hi, I have a mobile order for Chenelle. I like those. You can go for it. Thank you.
So
Me.
Thank you. God, you so annoying.
Well, typically it's called foot fungus. So I was gonna correct you, but I was like, let me not. Let me think. Yeah, she's right. It would be feet fungus.
I think so.
But then it will only be foot fungus if you got it on. But you're not gonna get it because you barely even wear them.
Okay, you damn right. You keep taking my motherfuckers off.
I'm tired of chasing. I'll do okay. I'll do everything he can. Chasing. I'm tired of chasing, babe. I got
Come lit, still I drop lazy. None of that maybe. And I do. Crazy. Full of 1980s. Come lit, still I drop lazy.
Paint your nails. Right, bitch, ain't never been a groupie. Step on a hoe, I like my nigga bougie. Tell me you'll never wanna lose me. 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 Give me a Haitian, I love me a dog. I've been thinking about you on the road.
Dressing alike.
Girl, I be so over you.
I literally was not trying to dress like you.
I know.
Like, my outfit it was completely different from yours.
I know.
Or the concept. The inspo.
This is what they say, moving up, dubs on the Cadillac, white tees, Nikes, gangsters don't know how to act, and it's getting big head, college park, father home, hummus smoking homegrown, choking on that homegrown, they clock they selling cooking, they got the balance looking, thinking I was easy, I can see it, that's when I say no, Shawty can't handle this, never got that fire like, round here we find slow. We keep it good and you should know. Getting drunk off in the club, it gets low. All my ladies to the floor. Handle it, baby, bag it up. Getting drunk off in the club, it gets low. But if they can do it, make strip into a golden ball. Still smoke, money smoke, wood grain on the wall. Ice skate, big chase, fellas come, red ball. Those cuts, braids, long gangsters, bottom line. They got their southern cooking, they got the fellas looking. Wishing I was easy, I can see it. That's when I say no. gets low, get low. Oh, 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 oh. Ladies, move it down to the floor. Handle it, ladies, back it up. Yeah, in the club.
Yeah.
Low, get low.
Southern style, get wild, old school coming down in a different color whip. Picture perfect, you might wanna take a flick. Call up Jasmine, tell him pop the bottle, cause we got another hit. Wanna go platinum, I'm who you should get. Ludacris on the track, get back, trick switch on the like I'm flexing steel. Same right every time, hot song dumped on, cause Sierra got sex appeal. And I keep the cleanest, baddest, spinning on stainless wheels. Could care less about your genius, I bump your status, I keep the stainless steel. Trunk rattling, what's happening high? I don't even think I need the speed. Bass traveling, kicks crackling high. Turn it up and make the speakers bleed. Dirty South, we ballin', dog. And never think about falling, dog. Ghetto harmonizing, surprising, running back cause the song is cool.
Round here we riding slow. We keep it good and you should know. If you walk up in the club, it gets low. All my ladies to the floor. Handle it, ladies, back it up. If you walk up in the club, it gets
This is what I deal with. This is what I deal with.
Ooh, y'all, look at this big old crane
Deal
that you got.
with. Your nails look pretty.
It's shining.
See how I say something nice to you?
And what did you just say?
You love your daddy, girl. Don't say nothing about my daddy. Say nothing about him. Now they knocked the phone out of my hand. That's crazy. Say nothing about my daddy. Don't say nothing about my daddy.
I'm not touching that grass. I'm gonna be sick tonight. You remember they used to put this on the trolls? They used to grow grass on top of the troll's head.
Chia pets.
Is it chia pets?
Yeah.
Where you can grow the grass on the hair?
Chia pets. Oh my god. I'm gonna put this in here.
Leave it.
I am.
It's a question. I was thinking we should get those. There's these
Can you
mini.
record? This is what you need to do with your kids. Instead of y'all trying to take them to the park so they can play,
Look at
get
him.
them into creating content.
Girl, he's trying to touch his nose.
For real. Let me get this angle. How she told me how to record this. Watch.
Y'all think this is the first time he's recorded this? No. He's
No,
been
he
around this
recorded every angle
50
of
times.
every flower.
50 times. Hey.
All right. Leave her hanging. That's my son right there. This my son right here. Want to take a picture by the tree?
Here, come here.
That's great.
What's up with that rabbit? What's up with that rabbit? She good with it, she good with it. Out all over my carrot.
All you gotta do is leave the camera on. you bound to catch something.
Okay, trendy. Very, very fashionable or up to date.
Boom.
A person who's very fashionable or up to date.
Why you got that on? Told you.
You jiggle that booty bit.
Why is he back there telling us something?
Hey,
Jiggle
look
that
at this. Look at this. Hey, I'm going straight. You get the car.
Come on, Shay.
Let's go. That's crazy.
Oh, look at that.
Retail and Career Center.
So you go shopping now? You wanna go over there and see what I got?
Yeah. It's we swear.
How long did you see him before you started making fun of me?
Yeah, we
How long you been recording? 44 seconds.
Took us straight to Paris, post before the carriage. Soon as I put it down, I swear they wanna get married. Damn, damn, I swear these girls, damn, damn, damn. I swear my damn.
Hell no. Instantly.
They should have put that on.
First they start out booty, then I'm like, is that your booty? Then she let me touch it. Now we
She know. She know.
I've been waiting just to take her down. Oh, yeah.
I told my partner Neo, hit me when she come around, and I'ma tear that body up.
Anytime she walk in,
She tear the body